How to create consistent content. What's up, YouTube? It's your friend and mentor, Mr. Da Vinci. As always, thank you for tuning in for another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create consistent content on a daily, weekly, monthly basis so that you can provide value to your audience, your fans, people on your email list. And to give you the best example, because I've been struggling with this myself, and I was in the mix of looking for ideas to create for content. So I said, hey, why not show my audience how I go about it, in case you was having the same kind of problems. Now, as you can see for this video, I'm not lying to you. As you can see up here, I was typing in content creation for social media. Now, the tools that I use when I'm looking for ideas of how to create consistent content are, it's a free tool right here. It's called vidIQ. I'll leave a link to the description below so that you can check it out. It's definitely free. I'm using the free plan. You can upgrade, but if you want, that's up to you. Anyway, that'll be first link in the description. And the second tool that I use, which is also a free tool, is this tool called TubeBuddy. And with TubeBuddy, let me load up a video and see if I can give you better information here. Sorry about that. Oh yeah, so with TubeBuddy and vidIQ combined together, it gives me the data that I need to see. So if you scroll down over here, ignore the videos over here for a second. I'll click on one and give you a better analysis. But as you can see over here, this is vidIQ. So the term I typed in was content creation for social media. As you can see, the highest view video, highest views altogether, is 4,132,524. The average views is 372,000. Average subscribers for this content phrase is 389,491. Last 7 days has been 0 out of 20. Average age 2 years. So I like to go for content that's within the 2 year to 3 year range. I don't really like to do anything to 5 years because a lot can change on the internet. I mean, I'm trying not to cuss. YouTube don't like when I cuss, but things change a lot. So content's coming out every day. Google's changing, YouTube's changing. So my personalized frame, what I like to go through is anything from the last year to 2 years, maybe 3, depending on what topic or phrase I'm in. So moving on from that, then as you can see down here, the top creator is a woman named Kimberly Ann. I'm not going to say her last name, don't want to get it wrong. But yeah, so there's just some things to focus on. Now with vidIQ, you can see the search volume. So for the phrase right here, content creation for social media, the average person or people typing this in is about 32%. And my competition score is at 17. So overall, I got a 57 out of 100% chance of ranking for this term. But they also says not enough search volume for search queries report. So they offer me some other suggestions right here that I should look for, which is social media marketing, social media, and social media content. Now I'm going to tell you, social media marketing is a very broad term, even though I got a 69.3 overall result. And if you can see in the small corner, it says vidIQ keyword volume is 60.7, but my competition score is 22.2. so that means people are searching for this term. However, the competition score is at a 22, so that means I'll probably be competing against the bigger channels. I'll give you an example after I show you how to do this with TubeBuddy. Lost my train of thought there for a second. So let's scroll down. Now this is the TubeBuddy section. As I was telling you, I utilize both of them together. Again, the vidIQ link will be the first link in the description, and the TubeBuddy link will be the second link in the description. Again, both of these tools are free. I'm using the free plan. I did upgrade to the paid plan, but I'll show you the end of the video. So let's see if we can load up some stats. And as you can see, here are the keyword stats. Little different from vidIQ, so I'd measure both of them and come to your own best estimated guess. But as you can see, the most views they say is 139,825. Least views 24,167. Most subscribers over 2 million. Least subscribers 5,000. But the thing with TubeBuddy is it shows you the keywords and titles, keywords and description, keywords and tags. As you can see, according to TubeBuddy, no one's utilizing this, so this could be my competitor advantage when I upload this video. So that's something I'm definitely going to keep in mind. Let's see if we can get a keyword score up here. Show keyword score. Alright, so it did load up. So according to TubeBuddy, the search volume is 28.2, but remember when we looked at this with vidIQ, it was 32, so they're not too far off. So searches per month is 16.4K thousand people are looking for content creation for social media a month on YouTube. Competition is, let's see if it will give me a number here. It's not going to give me a number, but it's somewhere in between the green and yellow, which is good as long as it's not in the orange or red. So they get, according to TubeBuddy, I have a good chance of ranking for this keyword. And overall, they give me 55 out of 100, where vidIQ gave me 57 out of 100. So like I said, you can just balance the preferences and come up with your own estimate. Now, as we scroll down, TubeBuddy suggests that I go for a longer-tailed keyword phrase, which is social media content creation for business, which something that I'll probably make for a future video later on in my channel. Then they give me tags to go along with my video. So they said if I'm going to do content creation for social media, they say that I should add social media marketing as a tag, social media strategy as a tag, and social media content as a tag, which is probably what I do. So now that I've broken down the tools for you about how to create consistent content, let's load up a video to give you a better idea of how you can look at the average competitor. And we're just gonna load up Gary Vee, because Gary Vee's I can't cuss. Gary Vee's the man, and he's one of the person who I'm very influenced by. He gives me good inspiration, gives me good advice. But not only me, he has hundreds of thousands of people in his audience. I'm just saying, me personally, for what I look for, he gives me great advice, and I respect him a lot. Can't wait for the day when we meet.
Monday.com is a team management tool that changed.
But I'm getting off topic here, so let me pause this, load up this video, and my computer, as you can see, I got a lot of tabs open, so I'm just gonna tell you more about how I've been using this. So I have another YouTube account. Obviously I have one for my music, but I do have another YouTube account where I upload different types of videos where I'm able to rank for TV shows, games. The NBA is trending right now. The finals start tonight, game 1, the Warriors versus Raptors. I'll probably upload that on my other channel, but I've been testing on that channel to come up with the data of how I'm able to rank for long tail keyword phrase. Now my other YouTube, not the one I'm telling you about, but the one I had before that, it got terminated because I was uploading Dragon Ball videos, and Funimation, or whoever funds Dragon Ball for us over here in America, they didn't like that because it was from the Dragon Ball Super movie, Broly, and they had to end up taking that down. So there's some terms, there's some good and bad with doing this. But as long as you producing your own original content, you should be okay. You should be able to stay in the green. Now, as you can see here, I'm not trying to show you the suggested bar. I might have to load up another video, but they're supposed to be on the side. If my computer loads, not here on the suggestion side, but there's supposed to be a bar right here, or it says vidIQ and TubeBuddy. Or then again, the video's not done loading, so scroll down and maybe it'll pop up. If it doesn't pop up, I'll show you in another video, but I would really like to show you how it looks when you go to other people's videos, so you can see what's working for them and how you can implement that into your own content strategy. Not to copy, but to see what's working for them and then use that to curate that into your own video. So we're going to see here. I'm going to give this a few more seconds. If it doesn't load, then I'm just going to try another video. But yeah, legendary. But yeah, so we're going to try another video. That didn't load. I would exit out a few tabs with my screen. Working smart and hard. So I got a lot going on, so I don't really want to no tabs, just to refresh them at this video. So this is what I do to go about ranking my videos. I've been getting a lot of questions from my VAs and virtual assistant email lists about how to go about creating content. What do I do? What do I use? So that is really the purpose of why I'm making this video, to answer the questions and to give feedback to y'all so that you can go out and do the same thing. Because as I tell you in every email and every video, not only am I your friend and mentor, but I'm here to help you go through your learning curve as short as possible so that you're able to get the results that you want. Everyone has a different time frame on their journey, so I can't give you an exact time frame of how soon or how long it will take you. All I can tell you is if you put in the work, discipline yourself, and take action every day, you will see the results. Just stay with it and don't give up. Yeah, so I'm going to have to end the video here. Sorry that I couldn't be able to show you in this video how it looks, but I promise you in the next video that I have on creating content, I will load up a video and show you that specific data. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe to the channel, comment below if you have any questions about this. Again, the first link in this video will be for vidIQ, and the second link in this video will be for TubeBuddy. Definitely check them out. Music free plan. I appreciate you for staying with me watching this video. The third link in the description will be to join my email list, where I'll email you great tools just like the ones I showed you to help you. Thanks for watching. Leave me a comment. I'll respond back within the first 24 hours. As always, it's been your friend and mentor, Mr. Da Vinci, signing off. Appreciate you for watching. Please like and subscribe. It'll help my channel growth and my YouTube analytics, which I'm trying to grow, and it'll help me reach other people just to help them too, so that everyone gets the best and gets to reap the benefits. But I'm rambling now, so I will see you in the next video.